Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a brand new Facebook account step by step. These steps are updated as of 2025. So whether you are using Facebook for friends, family or business, this is the easiest way to get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device. Here in the search bar, you need to search for facebook.com. Once you are on Facebook, you will see the create new account option. So you need to simply click on it. Over here, you need to provide your first name. So after providing your first name, you need to also provide your surname. Now you need to provide your date of birth. Here after selecting your date of birth, just like this one, you need to select your gender. After selecting it, you need to provide your phone number or your email address. So this should be the one that you want to use in order to create your account. After providing your email address and your phone number, you need to create a strong password for your account. Now, after filling this form, simply click on the sign up option over here and wait for it to show you further steps. Now, Facebook is going to send a code on your email address or your phone number, whichever you have selected for your account creation. So for this video, I have selected my email address. So you need to go to your email account and there you will see the code. So you need to simply paste the code over here and you need to press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, as soon as you click on the continue option over here, it will redirect you on the home page of your Facebook account. And there you go, you have successfully created your Facebook account. In your Facebook account, you can click on your page and you can basically add your profile and change the background and cover images. And you can also start following other people and you can also send them the friend requests. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.